Hi guys, this is Hamza from ImagineArt, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can use Imagine apps to create product ads in a single click. So basically what Imagine apps does is that it has certain templates, right? These templates can be used or applied across multiple different kinds of products, right? So I'm going to just open up Imagine apps from the navigation bar at the top of my screen. Once this opens up, you're going to see a range of templates, right? The idea over here is that we're going to continuously keep on updating the the various templates that we have based on trends and what users are generally looking for, right? These templates basically involve a lot of custom prompts that within which you can incorporate your own product. But essentially, as a user utilizing Imagine apps, all you need to know is that all of these templates are here for you, and simply what you have to do is click on any template that you like and upload an image of your product. So for example, for this template, I'm going to upload an image of this bag. You're going to select your aspect ratio, and over here you're going to see the output type that you'd like to have, whether it's an image or a video. For a start, I'm just going to click on image and click on generate. While this generates, I'm going to click on start new and select the bag again and click on Select the bag again, click on video as an output and click on generate. Right guys, so in this manner I've been able to generate a range of ads using the templates on Imagine apps. So for example, here's the product reveal with the packet of chips, then there's a product reveal with these shoes, here's an image that I generated, here's the image of the bag that I generated just now. Then I also generated a video of the same bag with within the same template. Then I used the underwater template to have this video generated, and for the same product I had this Lego reveal template used to generate this, right? So in this manner you can use all of these templates across a range of products to generate similar videos without having to go through the hassle of developing prompts to generate images and then converting them to videos. Essentially, just utilizing a simple click within our Imagine apps to generate these results. Now, as far as results are concerned, primarily all of the templates are optimized to generate ideal results based on your image. However, if you do still struggle with getting accurate generations, then probably the issue is with the reference image that you upload. You might get some undesirable results if the reference image that you're uploading of your product is a busy image, right? So in that situation, what you can do is go to the edit functionality and clean up your image. So for example, I'm going to move on over to the image section, right? And this is the image that I want to upload in my templates, right? I'm going to drag this image over here and use Google Nano Banana to remove the background and remove all of the elements in the background to have a plain white background. And that's what I'm going to prompt it to do. Remove the products in the background and give me a flat white background with just the packet of chips in the center. Right guys, so in this manner you see how the image has been cleaned up for me, right? The next thing that I'm going to do is simply move back to the app section and upload this image in the template that I like. Right over here, just like we did with the rest of the products before, and click on generate. And this should give us the result that we're looking for. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you guys. If you have any questions or any feedback, please feel free to drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.